Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. It is important to note that disabling Google Assistant may limit or remove certain features and functionalities that rely on its capability. Users should consider their specific needs and use cases before deciding to turn off Google Assistant on their device. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to go to the Google application on your device. Well, after that, click on profile icon at the top right corner. Okay, and then please select settings option here. Well, and then in this page, will be shown several Google settings on your device. And then to disable Google Assistant, you can tap on Google Assistant option. Okay, after that, select the first one, Hey Google and Voice Match option. Okay, and then you can turn it off by pressing this button. Okay, and then now Google Assistant on your device is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.